Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a sympathy letter. What is a sympathy letter? A sympathy letter, also known as a condolence letter or sympathy card, is a written message expressing compassion and support to someone who is grieving the loss of a loved one, or facing a difficult time. Its primary purpose is to offer comfort and shared grief, acknowledging the loss, and letting the recipient know that they are not alone in their sorrow. Sympathy letters often contain heartfelt words, fond memories of the deceased, and offers of assistance or support. These letters serve as a way to provide emotional solace during challenging periods, and convey care and understanding to those who are mourning. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a sympathy letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you can write your full name. Under it, write your home address. You should include the home number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. And now, you can write the information about the recipient. Yes, write the recipient's full name. Under it, write their home address. Don't forget to include the home number, street name, city, state, and zip code as well. After completing this information, you can now open the letter with salutation. Simply, you can write "Dear," followed by the first name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you can begin by expressing your heartfelt condolences for the loss. Or, you can acknowledge the difficult circumstances faced by the recipient, if it is a different case. In this example, the writer shows sympathy on the recipient's loss. So, the writer wrote, "I was deeply saddened to hear about the loss of your father, Mr. Robert Turner." Mentioning the full name of the deceased is a must here. And you can continue by writing, "Please accept my heartfelt condolences during this incredibly difficult time." In the second paragraph, this is where you can share a comforting message. Or maybe, you may share fond memory related to the deceased or the recipient's situation. Mr. Robert Turner was a remarkable father who touched the lives of so many with his kindness, warmth, and wisdom. His presence will truly be missed by all who had the privilege of knowing him. You can only mention all the good things about the deceased. Be sincere when you do it. And in the third paragraph, you can express your understanding of the emotional pain the recipient may be experiencing. You may not know what they feel, but make sure the recipient knows how you care about them. Sure, it is highly recommended that you let them know you are there to provide comfort and a listening ear. Remember, offering any support or assistance means a lot to the recipient and family. So, don't hesitate to do it. For example, as, "I know that words cannot fully ease the pain you are experiencing. But please know that my thoughts and prayers are with you and your family. If there is anything I can do to provide support, or if you simply need someone to talk to, please don't hesitate to reach out." By writing this, you are helping the recipient to realize that they are not alone. They have you who truly care. The fourth paragraph is similar to the third one. You can shower the recipient with expression of your understanding of the emotional pain the recipient may be experiencing. And once again, let them know you are there to provide comfort and someone to talk to. So, you can write, "Grief is a deeply personal journey, and there is no right or wrong way to navigate it. Take all the time you need to mourn and remember your father. Lean on the support of your loved ones. And remember that you are not alone during this challenging period. This is about showing your sympathy. Therefore, you need to do your best to comfort the recipient. Comfort them the way you want to be comforted when you are in their position. In the fifth paragraph, you can share additional words of solace or offer assistance, if needed. And you may also reiterate your support during their time of grief. Write your hope as well for the recipient that they become strong. For example as, I hope that, in time, the cherished memories of your father will bring you comfort and solace. May his legacy live on in the hearts of all who loved him. Yes, extend your well wishes and hopes for healing and closure in the future. Remind the recipient that they are not alone and that you are thinking of them. And for the closing, use a compassionate closing, such as, with deepest sympathy, followed by your signature and typed name. So, that's how you write a sympathy letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.